In this video, we are going to analyze GameStop, ticker GME. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue this downward momentum? And as of right now, our closest support level is at $22.50, with the one after that being at $19.50. So now, what do you expect to happen at these levels? So again, you don't always want to just hit buy as soon as we hit this level, because depending on how you trade, whether that's short or long bias, you may use these levels differently. So obviously, if you're trading this long, then you would just use your normal strategy that you would at your support levels. However, if you're a short bias trader and you're looking to short below this 22.15, how would we look to do it? And really that key focus is you want to see a break below 22.15, come back to retest it, and if you see selling pressure kick in, then you know more than likely it will make it down to that next low. So that would in this case be 14.50, and that is a key thing to note even if you're a long bias only trader, because if you get long the stock at 22.15, you end up seeing it break below and coming in for a retest. If you see selling pressure come in, you probably want to stop out of that trade because more than likely it's going to continue down. If we break below that 19.50, then we're looking at 16.75, and final levels taking us to $11.25 and $2.75. Obviously $2.75 and maybe even $10 or the $11 level isn't all that likely to hit, but they're always key to note because again, these levels, you don't have to pay attention to all of them. You just pay attention to the closest you are now and then the one after that, because that can give you a target and your entries. Now, on the other hand, if you're more bullish on this stock, you want resistances. What would we be paying attention to? So as of right now, actually our closest resistance is very close to where we are now at $27.75. So this is going to be another key level to note, because if we break this, you want to see a break above it, come back to retest it. And again, if this level holds, you see buying pressure kick in, then we could see a bit of a bounce on GameStop. We could see it pushing all the way to around $33, because that is our closest statistical level. So if we can hold that $27.75, that is the target we would have. Now, if we break that, then we have next targets at 36, 38.60, and then final levels taking us to $44, 49.50, $52, and final levels at $55 and $60. And again, yes, we have tons of levels to the upside. I mean, we have some at 60, over 100% increase from where we are now. But again, you don't have to focus on them. Just focus on current price. We're sitting at $27. If you're looking more for an upside move, you want to see a break above this level, come back to retest it as a support, and if it holds, then you should expect to move to that next level. And again, the same thing. So as of right now, you don't need to pay attention to the $38, $44 or any of that. You're looking right now at the $27.75 and the $33.20 if you were paying attention to the upside. Now, if you get that come back, retest, it holds, and you get that push to the next level, again, then all you need to do is you pay attention to this $33 level, because this can be your entry if you're looking to take it long. You want to see a break above, come back to retest as a support. Then if it holds, you could be looking at it more long bias. And what would our target be? Again, that next deviation level, so around $36. Anyway, that is the breakdown on GameStop. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these analysis videos.